Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Yoast SEO for WordPress content optimization, full guide step by step clearly. To install Yoast SEO for WordPress content optimization, first, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, hover over the Plugins option. Click on Add New to access the plugin installation page. In the search bar on the top right, type Yoast SEO. Wait a moment for the search results to load. Once the results appear, find the Yoast SEO plugin in the list. Ensure it's developed by Team Yoast for authenticity. Click the blue Install Now button next to the plugin. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, the button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the Yoast SEO plugin on your site. After activation, you'll see a new menu option labeled SEO in the left-hand sidebar. Click on the SEO option to access the Yoast SEO dashboard. Follow the configuration wizard that appears to set up basic settings. Select your site type in the setup wizard for tailored recommendations. Fill in details such as site name, organization name, and social profiles. Proceed through each step in the wizard, answering the questions provided. Once completed, click on Finish to finalize the configuration. Now, go to any post or page you wish to optimize with Yoast SEO. Scroll down to find the Yoast SEO meta box below the content editor. Here, you can enter your focus keyword or phrase for optimization. The plugin will provide real-time feedback on your content quality. Follow the suggestions to improve readability and SEO score. Make sure to fill out the SEO title and meta description fields. Once you're satisfied with your optimization, publish or update the post or page. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and configured Yoast SEO for your WordPress site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.